when it comes to intentionality, I think that it's really important to have little triggers, little things that when you go past a certain area of your house, maybe you stop and you just say, hey, wait a second. I'm going to take a deep breath and I'm going to enjoy whatever comes next. And it might be, for example, if you're going into do your morning routine, if you stop right before you enter the bathroom and you just stop and have a moment where you say, wait a second, this is my time. I'm going in to take my shower. I'm going to do my hair. I'm going to do my makeup. I'm going to, brush my teeth, do some mouth rinse or what have you. I'm going to celebrate and honor me for a couple minutes. And just before you go in and get caught up in the hurriedness of it all, just go, okay, let's do a reset here. And as you go in, this is kind of like pamper me time, right? Even if you don't have a big chunk of the day where you get to enjoy time by yourself, just a few minutes that you spend in the morning could be like a zone just for you, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And also this understanding that we have a choice, that we can shift how we're doing things. I think it's empowering that we don't have to just continue with that autopilot and just running through with pushing things. Life is not a struggle. Life is challenging. We need challenges to grow, but life does not need to be a struggle. We create the struggle. So releasing that struggle and understanding our choices, it's a great way to move through.